vegan señorita, and if you haven't been to this channel before, thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make an awesome vegan low carb chocolate mousse that's to die for. And it's not made with any nuts, it's not made with avocado, it's definitely not made with any soy, it's made with a very special ingredient. So let's go ahead and get started. You're going to need a low sodium can of garbanzo beans. Drain it, rinse it, turn on your stove, medium-low heat, put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ounces of dark chocolate and melt it in some almond milk until it looks like this. You're going to need a 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar, put it into your Aquafaba juice, and then you're going to mix it for 10 minutes until you form stiff peaks like this. Now, some of you are gonna wanna give up before you get stiff peaks. How do I know that? Because I personally almost gave up the first few times that I made mousse with Aquafaba, because I thought to myself, bean juice, like there's no way that bean juice can turn into stiff peaks. But it does. You just have to be very patient with it, and it will eventually turn into a stiff peak, just like this. And the beauty of this is that you really can't overmix it. So, you know, if you're really unsure, just add another 5 minutes. And if it doesn't seem like it's stiff peaks yet, add another 5 minutes. Like, you really can't overmix it. Now, the ultimate test to know if this is ready for you to incorporate your chocolate into it is to turn your bowl around, just like this. And if it's not moving, it's done. So, we're ready to put the chocolate right in here. Make sure your chocolate is cooled down. You're going to temper it with some Aquafaba and then pour your chocolate into your Aquafaba and fold gently until it's fully incorporated. Once you're done mixing your Aquafaba mousse with your chocolate, go ahead and pour it into 4 individual cups like this. And you're going to put this in the refrigerator for 4 hours to firm up. And now it's been 4 hours. This is my finished product. It's fully set. And now we just gotta give it a taste. So I'm gonna show you exactly what this looks like up close. It's so fluffy, look at that. It's so incredibly fluffy. And don't worry, Aquafaba mixed in with chocolate and sugar doesn't taste anything like beans. You won't taste that at all. It'll take on the flavor of everything that you're adding in. So some variations that you can do on this mousse is add some peanut butter. You could also add or top it with coconut cream. There's so many things that you could do with it. You could add raspberries, but don't worry, it won't taste like beans. It's delicious and it's low carb. Hey, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to this channel. I'm Mariana, this is Vegan Señorita, and I will see you in the next video.